Are you always short on time but want to eat healthy? I feel you. The struggle is real, especially when you're juggling a demanding job, personal commitments, and trying to maintain a balanced lifestyle. As a busy professional, I used to struggle with meal prep. The thought of coming home after a long day and having to cook was daunting. Back in the day, takeout or delivery was my go-to because cooking felt impossible after long days. It was convenient, but I knew it wasn't the healthiest option. It was a constant battle between convenience and eating healthy, and honestly, I felt like I was losing. The choices at the grocery store were overwhelming, and I often ended up with unhealthy options. Then, I discovered the benefits of meal prepping, and it completely changed my approach. It was like a light bulb moment, realizing that a little planning could go a long way. Prepping meals in advance has drastically reduced my stress, made it easier to make healthy choices, and saved me so much money. No more last-minute decisions or expensive takeout orders. Instead of scrambling to figure out dinner, I now have ready-to-go meals waiting for me in the fridge. The difference is incredible. It's like having a personal chef who's always prepared. Visualize this: a cluttered fridge filled with random leftovers versus a neatly organized fridge packed with pre-portioned, healthy meals. The latter not only looks better but also makes you feel more in control. Add to that the cost savings from cooking at home versus eating out every night. It's a win all around. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by planning your meals and buying groceries in bulk. Let's face it, meal prepping is a game changer. It's not just about saving time, it's about taking control of your diet and your budget. But what are the right tools to make it easier? The right equipment can make a world of difference in your meal prep routine. Stay tuned, because I'll walk you through the essentials that will transform your meal prep experience. From gadgets to containers, I've got you covered. First up, the Instant Pot. This multifunctional device is a must-have for any busy professional. This versatile gadget can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, and even sauté. It's like having several appliances in one, saving you both space and time. It's a lifesaver for whipping up large batches of meals quickly. Imagine cooking a week's worth of meals in just one afternoon. Imagine coming home to perfectly cooked quinoa, chicken, and veggies that took you less than 30 minutes to prepare. Next, quality storage containers. These are essential for keeping your meals fresh and organized. Opt for glass over plastic. They're more durable, healthier, and keep your food fresh longer. Plus, they're better for the environment. Trust me, seeing a row of neatly stacked containers in your fridge is incredibly satisfying and motivating. It makes you look forward to your meals. Finally, a meal planning app like Mealime or Plan to Eat. These apps are game changers for organizing your meal prep. These apps help you organize recipes, generate grocery lists, and even suggest meals based on what you have at home. It's like having a personal assistant for your kitchen. They take the guesswork out of meal planning and make the whole process seamless. So, if you're like me and have struggled with balancing convenience and healthy eating, give meal prepping a try. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your life. Invest in the right tools, and you'll find it's not just about saving time, it's about making your life easier and healthier. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips inspire you to start your meal prepping journey. Be sure to hit like if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more time-saving hacks. Happy prepping!